Find the average of first 20 natural numbers. A 6. B 7.5. C 10.5. D 12. The correct answer is 10.5. Total sale of a shop is 7,770 rupees in a week. Find the daily average sale of the store. A 111. B 1,110. C 770. D 999. The correct answer is 1,110. The average monthly salary of 10 employees is 3,600 rupees. If the salary of the manager is added, then the average salary is increased by 200 rupees. What is the monthly salary of the manager? A 3,700 hours. B 4,200 hours. C 5,800 hours. D 6,200 rupees. The correct answer is 5,800 rupees. The average of 3 odd number is 45. What is the value of the highest number? A 33.3. B 42.3. C 45. D 47.5. The correct answer is 42.3. A batsman in his 10th innings makes a score of 72 runs and thereby increases his average score by 3 runs. What will be the average after 10th innings? A 45. B 46. C 47. D 48. The correct answer is 45. A man covers half of his journey at 7 km/h and the remaining half at 2 km/h. His average speed is A 21.2 km/h. B 31.9 km/h. C 4.5 km/h. D 9 km/h. The correct answer is 31.9 km/h. The average age of 11 players of a cricket team is decreased by 2 months when 2 of them aged 17 years and 20 years are replaced by 2 new players. The average age of the new players is A 17y7 months. B 19y3 months. C 21y9 months. D 23y11 months. The correct answer is 17y7 months. A man covers half of his journey at 6 km/h and the remaining half at 4 km/h. His average speed is A 3.9 km/h. B 4.3 km/h. C 4.8 km/h. D 5.2 km/h. The correct answer is 4.8 km/h. There were 35 students in a hostel. If the number of students be increased by 7, the expenditure on food increases by 42 rupees per day while the average expenditure of students is reduced by hours 1. What was the initial expenditure on food per day? A 375 rupees. B 390 rupees. C 420 rupees. D 460 rupees. The correct answer is 420 rupees. The average monthly salary of employees, consisting of officers and workers of an organization is Rs 3,000. The average salary of an officer is Rs 10,000 while that of a worker is Rs 2,000 per month. If there are 400 employees in the organization, the number of officers is A 50. B 60. C 65. D 75. The correct answer is 50. The average weight of 8 men is increased by 1.5 kg when one of the men who weighs 65 kg is replaced by a new man. The weight of the new man is A 65 kg. B 77 kg, C 82 kg, D 90 kg. The correct answer is 77 kg. When the average age of a husband and wife and their son was 42 years, the son got married and a child was born just 1 year after their marriage. When child turned to be 5 years, then the average age of the family became 3 years. What was the age of daughter-in-law at the time of marriage? A 25 years, B 26 years, C 27 years, D 28 years. The correct answer is 25 years. The average monthly salary of the workers in a workshop is Rs 8,500. If the average monthly salary of 7 technicians is 10,000 rupees and average monthly salary of the rest is Rs 7,800, the total number of workers in the workshop is A 20, B 22, C 25, D 28. The correct answer is 22. The mean of 5 numbers is 18. If one number is excluded, their mean is 16. The excluded number is A 21, B 23, C 26, D 29. The correct answer is 26. The average of a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4 is 16. Half of the sum of a 2, a 3, a 4 is 23. What is the value of a 1? A 18, B 21, C 26, D 31. The correct answer is 18. The average of marks of 28 students in mathematics was 50. 8 students left the school and then this average is increased by 5. What is the average of marks obtained by the students who left the school? A 30.5, B 32.6, C 35, D 37.5. The correct answer is 37.5. A train moves with a speed of 30 km per hour for 12 minutes and for next 8 minutes at a speed of 45 km per hour. The average speed of the train is A 32 km per hour, B 36 km per hour, C 38 km per hour, D 41 km per hour. The correct answer is 36 km per hour. W, X, Y, Z are 4 consecutive odd numbers. Their average is A W plus 2, B W plus 3, C W plus 4, D W plus 6. The correct answer is W plus 3. The average age of 8 persons in a committee is increased by 2 years when 2 men aged 35 years and 45 years are substituted by 2 women. The average age of these 2 women is A 41 years, B 45 years, C 48 years, D 53 years. The correct answer is 48 years. Of the 3 numbers, second is twice the first and is also thrice the third. If the average of 3 numbers is 44, the largest number is A 60, B 65, C 67, D 72. The correct answer is 72. The average age of a class is 15.8 years. The average age of the boys in the class is 16.4 years and that of the girls is 15.4 years. What is the ratio of boys to girls in the class? A2, 3, B2, 4, C3, 4, D3, 5. The correct answer is 2, 3. The average score of a class of boys and girls in an examination is A. The ratio of boys and girls in the class is B, 1. If the average score of the boys is A plus 1, the average score of the girls is A plus 2. B A 2. C A plus 3. D A 3. The correct answer is A 3. The average of first 5 multiples of 5 is A 10. B 15. C 20. D 25. The correct answer is 15. The mean of 100 items was found to be 30. If at the time of calculation, 2 items were wrongly taken as 32 and 12 instead of 23 and 11, the correct mean is A 29.90, B 31.32, C 32.50, D 33.45. The correct answer is 29.90. If the total monthly income of 16 persons is Rs 80,800 and income of one of them is 120% of the average income, then his income is A Rs 5,030, B Rs 5,075, C Rs 6,060, D Rs 7,025. The correct answer is Rs 6,060. The average age of 3 boys is 16 years. If their ages are in the ratio 4, 5, 7, then the age of youngest boy is A 10 years, B 12 years, C 14 years, D 15 years. The correct answer is 12 years. A man bought 4 shirts at 400 rupees each, 4 pens at 300 rupees each and 5 pairs of shoes at 500 rupees each. What is the average expenditure per article? A 500 rupees, B 600 rupees, C 700 rupees, D 850 rupees. The correct answer is 600 rupees. The average height of the students in a class of 12 is 110 centimeters. If 18 more students with an average height of 115 centimeters join the class, what will be the new average height be? A 92 centimeters, B 95 centimeters, C 102 centimeters, D 113 centimeters. The correct answer is 113 centimeters. The average of 5 consecutive natural numbers is m. If the next 3 natural numbers are also included, how much more than m will the average of these 8 numbers be? A 1.5, B 1.7, C 1.8, D 2.1. The correct answer is 1.5. In an examination, a student's average marks were 55 per paper. If he had obtained 10 more marks for his maths paper and 2 more marks for his biology paper, his average per paper would have 57. How many papers were there in the examination? A 5, B 6, C 7, D 8. The correct answer is 6. The average of marks in English for 10 students was found to be 45. Later on, it was discovered that in case of one student, the marks 46 were misread as 64. The correct average is A 43.2, B 45.5, C 49.3, D 53.2. The correct answer is 43.2. The average temperature for Sunday, Monday and Tuesday was 35 C. The average temperature for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday was 36 C. If the temperature on Wednesday be 37 C, find the temperature on Sunday. A 33, B 34, C 35, D 36. The correct answer is 34. The average of 5 numbers is 26. If one number is excluded, the average becomes 28. Find the excluded number. A 14, B 15, C 17, D 18. The correct answer is 18. If the average of x numbers is y2 and that of y number is x2, then the average of x plus y number is ax plus y, bxy2, cxy, dxy2. The correct answer is xy. The average of 6 numbers is 30. If the average of first 4 is 25 and that of last 3 is 40, the fourth number is A 30, B 35, C 40, D 45. The correct answer is 40. What is the least number to be added to 235 to make it a perfect square? A 14, B 15, C 17, D 21. The correct answer is 21. What is the least number to be subtracted from 235 to make it a perfect square? A 7, B 10, C 15, D 17. The correct answer is 10. If A is equal to V5 plus V5 plus V5 plus dash A, then what is the value of A? A 2.29, B 3.19, C 3.82, D 4.10. The correct answer is 2.29. What is the smallest number by which 6750 must be divided to make it a perfect cube? A 2, B 3, C 4, D 5. The correct answer is 2. Number of digits in the square root of 6256867344489 is A 5, B 6, C 8, D 9. The correct answer is 6. 3/5 of the square of a certain number is 126.15. What is the number? A 13.7, B 14.5, C 14.9, D 15.2. The correct answer is 14.5.